Hello everyone, this is our group presentation. Our topic is about National Health Services, a case study analysis and the significance of project execution in NHS IT project UK. This is our content. This is the introduction background. The National Health Services is the largest public health system in the UK. Established in 1948, it aims to provide free medical services to UK residents regardless of their financial status. The system has a large medical staff responsible for providing a variety of medical services, from basic emergency services to complex surgeries and long-term care. The next part is the NHS case. In recent years, the UK National Health Service has received much attention about its mega project failures and project estimates. This project aimed at improving healthcare's infrastructure or services has encountered significant setbacks, raising concerns about management and execution. Additionally, the pitfalls of project estimating highlight the importance of accurate forecasting in ensuring project success. Below, we will analyze the cases in detail. So next part, our group member will continue to share. Thank you.
This part is what we learned. Begin with analyzing the failure reason and impact. The lack of a clear project management methodology leads to cascading failures in all aspects of the project, affecting the success and benefits of the overall project. When project success factors are not incorporated into planning and strategy, the impact of internal and external factors on project success is not considered. This, coupled with a lack of flexibility on the part of government and senior management, led to the inability of project decision makers to cope with risks and results in a lack of communication and engagement with stakeholders. Furthermore, the absence of stakeholders' engagement and communication fails to effectively manage and understand all key stakeholders, including government, clinicians, NHS trusts, system users. An over-tight project timetable increases project risk and reduces the probability of success, especially for large, complex organizations such as the NHS, where a phased approach should be taken. Additionally, the lack of project risk assessment results in the failure to mitigate negative impact. Last, problems with the organizational structure, such as inadequate organizational structure, can lead to poor control at the project management level.
From this case, we can also learn the key points of how to drive the IT program to success. First, it's essential for project managers to have a clear understanding of the details of different methodologies and frameworks, ensuring they are appropriate and effective to projects. Then, by empowering individuals, fostering diversity, facilitating rapid decision-making, and enhancing communication with stakeholders, a decentralized structure can promote agility and efficiency throughout the project lifecycle. For the project management, success depends on the establishment of appropriate organizational structures, effective communication channels, and decision-making mechanisms, coupled with deeply understanding of the proficiency in dealing with political and cultural dynamics. Project management is also about leadership. Experienced leadership coupled with a deep understanding of organizational structures, a focus on sustainable business benefits, emotional intelligence, and active stakeholder engagement are key to lead project to success. Additionally, a prudent procurement strategy and effective risk management can reduce potential defects and increase the likelihood of project success. And effective management of corporate social responsibility not only contributes to the success of projects, but also promotes the sustainable development of the organization and the society as a whole. In summary, Achieving project success requires a comprehensive approach that includes effective stakeholder engagement, meticulous project planning, scope management, and astute leadership, risk management, and social responsibility.
I will start with the better estimation. The first one is the resource planning and the management. The accurate estimation enables the better planning and the management of the project resource, including the human resource, material, and financial. Understanding the project requirements and expect more efficiency resource allocation can avoid the wastage and ensure the smooth project progress. The second is the risk management. Estimation method could identify the potential risk more efficiently and allowing the project managers to implement the risk mitigation strategy. The third one is the time management. Precise time establishing the assist increasing the reliable project schedules and ensure the timely project delivery. Like the Gantt chart we are doing the last week, is quite important by understanding the time required for each task and its sequence work process can be better organized and also can minimize the project delivery time. The fourth one is the cost control. Accurate the cost established time is the reasonable budget and the efficiency control the project costs. Like the NHS field, one of the reasons is the budget control field, so it's quite important for this part. So the last one is the decision support. The better is mentioned provide reliable data support for the project managers and the stakeholders, aiding them in making the informed decisions. The NHS project field, one of the reasons is the lack of the project management skills. So if we have the good estimation, then we can avoid a little bit problem for this one.
I will continue to talk about how to make a better estimation in a project within different stages. So first of all, we need to have a full requirement analysis before the estimation, that including the needs and expectation of different stakeholders. This will help to determine the project scope and avoid additional workload and cost in the later stages. And meanwhile, we need to plan the schedule very carefully to avoid the tight schedule, especially in the early stage of the project. Take into account the complexity of the project and potential delay factors, and leave some buffer time for unexpected situation. Also, we need to have the technical assessment and investigation during the estimation process. This will help us to understand the technology requirement for the project and avoid technical issues later on to reduce the project implementation risks. And of course, we need to create a RM strategy to identify the risks that may affect the project process and cost, that including to creating alternative plans and emergency plans to address the potential issues. When the project is running, we also need to take some time to monitoring the process regularly and make some adjustments based on the real situation. This is in order to ensure the project is delivered on time and meets the expected goals. Another key point is to maintain the transparent communication with the stakeholders so that they can understand the project process and any changes all the time. This can promote better understanding and cooperation and reduce the misunderstandings and conflicts caused by the information difference.
The next part is our conclusion. To sum up, the NHS does face challenges in large-scale project management and project estimation, but at the same time, it also accumulates valuable successful experience and lessons. By learning from failures and continuing to improve and innovate, the NHS will be better able to cope with future challenges, improve the quality and efficiency of its medical services, and thus better meet the health needs of the British people. This is our presentation. Thank you.